it will solve the further problem of illegal dumping and litter, and create real jobs in recycling and upcycling here at home. The problem for waste, though, is even more fundamental, because 80% of the environmental damage is predetermined at the concept design stage. And today, nearly all goods we buy and consume are designed to break. This is a very precise science called built-in obsolescence. Because most products like mobile phones are designed with only a 2-year lifespan, more than 500,000 of these are discarded each year in Ireland. Unfortunately, producers are still allowed to pollute for free. But if an environmental levy was placed on producers and importers of products, it would send a clear signal to them at the design stage to minimize their environmental impacts. Part of the way forward is redesigning what we consume to include the whole life cycle of what we make and how it's disposed. I met with Paul Maher of MicroPro, whose game-changing thinking has been applied to his Irish-designed and made computers. So where do you think we need to go with design and with production into the future?
Well, I think we need really to go into the past with design and design our products that have long life, so we can produce a product that is repairable, so we can extend the life of the product.
Right, so you're talking about a product that might have a life of 2 or 3 years that you could get maybe, what, 10, 20 years out of?
7 to 10 minimum, 7 to 10, and then by upgradability or repair, we can extend the life again on that product.
I believe you're the first computer in the world now to get an eco-label. How did you achieve that?
Yeah. We've used wood because it's carbon capture, and also it's without plastics. We've no mercury, no plastic in it. And part of the European eco-label states you cannot have plastic more than 30 grams. So that was one of the big problems, the big challenges.
And much, much less energy, 1/3 of the energy consumption, with all these advantages. What's the difference in the cost when you go to buy a computer like this?
Typically, Duncan, it's around 15 to 20% cost difference. It's more expensive, but it's got 7 to 10 years, minimum 7 to 10 years life, so you get twice as long out of it. So it's cheaper at the end of the day.
What makes the iameco computer unique is that it's designed with modular removable components, so it can be easily repaired and upgraded to extend its life beyond 10 years. Its electricity and CO2 are reduced by 75% compared to conventional computers, and 98% of the material used is recyclable. The problem is there's no real incentive to entice the large manufacturers to change their ways. By putting policies in place so that a levy is applied to industry at the point of sale, this will aid the transition towards a circular economy.